The blank page. We've all been there. The moment before you begin to translate an idea you have into something tangible on paper or screen. It can be the most challenging part of the artistic process and a significant block to productivity. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways Adobe Firefly can help you move from idea to execution faster. Each one is designed for a different kind of creative situation. Text to image is perfect when you're starting from scratch or have a clear idea in mind. Reference images are ideal when you're working with existing content or brand guidelines. And Firefly Boards are built for team collaboration and visual exploration, especially when words fall short. Let's say you've got an idea, but you're struggling to visualize it. You might start by searching for reference images online, but after hours of scrolling, nothing quite matches what you've imagined. You're still left with a blank canvas. Instead, you could try text-to-image in Firefly. Enter a text prompt as short as 3 words, and Firefly will quickly create a series of images. Even loose fragments like Twilight over glass can spark surprisingly refined visuals. Now you have something concrete to react to and evolve. And here's where it gets even better. Firefly now includes prompt rewrite, a feature that helps you enhance your prompt to get more targeted results. If your initial prompt is too vague or not quite hitting the mark, prompt rewrite suggests ways to clarify or expand it, so you can explore your ideas more deeply without starting over. Like what you're seeing? Keep the words you already have, but add new details to explore the idea more deeply. Not sure you've found a creative direction yet? Try a fresh prompt with all new words. You might discover a color scheme or style you hadn't considered, or even uncover a whole new creative direction. Here's another scenario. A client asks you to create a new ad campaign for their product using the look and feel of an image they provide. You can actually upload the image to Firefly as a reference. You still enter a text prompt, but Firefly draws from the color palette, texture, lighting, and overall image aesthetic to guide its output. Mixing your words with the qualities of the reference is a great way to align new work with existing visuals, especially for campaigns that need consistency. Notice how your words guide Firefly and the artistic vision shapes each iteration. And what if you're working with a team? Many creative projects start with collaboration. That's where Firefly Boards comes in, a digital mood board designed for real-time collaborative ideation. Boards enables teams to explore, remix, and comment on creative directions together. Boards is more than just a canvas. It's an infinite space where you can bring your assets and work with them in one unified hub. Photos you've taken, images you've saved, color swatches, even Photoshop files, videos, or presentations. Made changes in Boards or in their native apps? Updates sync automatically. And you can even generate new assets right on the canvas with generative AI tools built into the workspace. You don't have to jump between apps. You have your whole studio in one place. And if you're not sure how to describe your idea, Boards lets you skip the text prompt. Just upload an image and Firefly will generate a new one inspired by its style or composition. The remix feature in Boards is another way to explore your concept. Blend elements from multiple images on your canvas to experiment with different visual styles. For example, say you're working on an ad for a new lotion. Use Remix to combine an image of sand with a photo of a human hand, a visual metaphor for dry skin. Firefly generates multiple options directly in your shared workspace, so you can explore and iterate as a team. Starting a new creative project can feel daunting, but now you've got 3 ways to get going. Use text-to-image when you're starting from scratch or have a clear idea. Use reference images when you're aligning with existing visuals or brand guidelines. Use Firefly Boards when you're collaborating or need to explore visually instead of with words. So next time you're staring at a blank page, keep these 3 starting points in mind and see how Firefly can help you move forward to the next step.